Good morning, everyone. My dear student, welcome to science class. Our lesson for today is about elements and compound. And your subject teacher, Celia P. Narbacan and Josephine B. Balharja. Our most essential learning competency is to recognize that substances are classified into elements and compound. And the learning objectives we have: identify the major classifications of matter. Number two, describe the characteristics of element and compound. And number three, identify the chemical symbols of some common elements. So what are the different classifications of matter? First, may we discuss first the meaning of matter. What is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass, and it is around us. Okay? And in matter, we have a pure substance. Pure substance consists of a single type of substance, one atom and one molecule. And another classifications of matter, we have the mixture. What do you mean by mixture? Mixture composed of one type of atom or molecules, and composed of two or more pure substances of different types of atoms and or molecules. Okay, in pure substances, we have the elements. Element is a pure substance that cannot be separated into simpler substance by physical or chemical means. Here is the example of the table of periodic table of elements. Okay, here they are. Are you familiar with the periodic table of elements? Periodic table of elements consists of 118 elements. They are the alphabet of matter. Elements are categorized into metal, metalloid, and non-metal. Okay, and the compound. So, yung isa kanina, we have the element, and the other one is the compound. Compound is a pure substance composed of two or more different elements joined by chemical bonds. Compounds made of elements in a specific ratio that is always the same has a chemical formula and can only be separated by chemical means, not physically. Example is the H2O, sodium chloride, this one, and the carbon dioxide. Okay. Can you identify now the following? You will show a series of photos. Tell if each photo represents an item composed of an element or compound. Again, an element contains just one type of atom, and a compound contains two or more different atoms joined together. Can you identify now if it is element or compound? Okay, number one. Is it element or compound? What is your answer? Okay, so the answer is elements, and their symbol is what? Okay, the answer is Cu. Another one. The table sugar. Is it element or compound? Okay, compound. So the symbol is C12 H22, and O11. Another one, element or compound, aluminum. Yes, the answer is element, and the symbol is Al. Okay, another one, element or compound, compound, yes. And it is H2O. The symbol of this one is H2O. Okay. So there is the summary of the elements and compounds. So we have the elements, compound, at ito naman ay sa mixture na heterogeneous and homogeneous, which will be discussed by next week. Okay, so we have the helium, yung ito. Then the pure water, compound, composed of pure water. So, naman, sa heterogeneous natin, the wet sand. And, ito naman, homogeneous is active with sugar. Okay. So, that is the difference between element and compound. Okay. For your learning task, in your module, you are going to study the periodic table of elements. Determine the elements as in each guide question. So look on page 17 in your module. And learning task number 2, using again the periodic table of elements, determine the elements as in each guide question. Page 17. And next learning task, fill in the blanks by describing the word listed in the box. Page 18. And the other one, copy the Venn diagram. Write the similarities of elements and compounds at the intersections of the two circles. Write the differences in the opposite sides of each circles. Class, ang sagot ninyo dito sa inyong learning task ay ilalagay ninyo sa inyong sagutang papel. No? So, white paper. At ito ay isasama kapag kayo ay nagpasa na ng papel on Monday, October 4. So, magkakaroon ng announcement ang inyong advisor. Okay? Okay? So, that is good for today. This is Ma'am Selfie Narbacan, your science teacher. Happy science learning. Bye!